Everyone says self-discipline is hard. But actually, discipline is easy if you don't use motivation. It sounds insane, but motivation is a total scam. It only works when you're at the peak of your emotions. It's like trying to run a marathon at a sprint pace. It's unsustainable and dumb. Discipline is the only way to win. The problem is, when you search for discipline, the internet just throws useless advice at you. Just try harder. Eat the frog. Wake up at 4 a.m. and grind 24 billion. This advice comes from people who never have to do boring things like you do. They're the motivation gurus screaming at a screen, bragging about getting 4 hours of sleep, as if sleep deprivation is an achievement. It's all just extrovert propaganda. Discipline is not a feeling, it is a system. Luckily, after years of torturing myself by trying to try harder, I realized discipline isn't about having an iron will, it's about psychology and systems. I've condensed what I learned into 4 simple, counterintuitive methods you can apply right now, even if you're currently procrastinating by watching this video. If you're also sick of those screaming gurus and you agree that willpower is for chumps, hit that subscribe button right now. That's your way of telling me, yes, I don't need fake motivation. Now let's dive into the real psychology that actually works. Method 1, the dirty 5-minute rule. Most of us fail because we try to commit to an hour of hard work. Don't do that. That's a massive commitment, and your brain will rebel. Instead, tell your brain, I only need to do this for 5 minutes. That's it. If you're procrastinating writing, open the laptop and write 1 sentence. 9 out of 10 times, after 5 minutes, you'll find it easy to continue. The secret? Momentum is discipline. Motivation comes after action, not before it. You only need 5 minutes of low effort to start the engine. Method 2, the friction system. Discipline is not about using willpower against yourself. It's about designing your environment to win without needing willpower. Want to read more? Put the book right on your pillow. That removes friction. Want to quit scrolling TikTok? Delete the app from your home screen, put it in the 3rd folder, and turn off all notifications. You've added friction to the bad habit and removed friction from the good one. If you make the easy thing hard and the hard thing easy, you win automatically. Method 3, identity alignment. Don't say, I'm trying to be a runner. Say, I am a runner. Every time you skip a run, you prove your identity wrong. Every time you run, you reinforce who you are. The more runs you complete, the harder it is to skip, because you are actively defending your self-concept. Method 4, the non-zero-day rule. No matter how tired or sick you are, do at least one thing related to your goal. Write 1 sentence, do 1 push-up, read 1 page. There are no 0 days. This is how you maintain the psychological momentum and keep your identity intact. Oh, and speaking of motivation, you know those screaming gurus? They brag about working 18 hours, but in reality, 10 of those hours are spent filming a video about how they are working 18 hours, and the remaining 8 hours are spent shopping for their new line of oversized, inspirational t-shirts. They're just selling an image, not a system. I guarantee they never applied the 5-minute rule. Never. Discipline doesn't have to be a confusing willpower battle reserved for Navy SEALs. It's just 4 simple systems: the 5-minute rule, friction reduction, identity alignment, and non-zero days. Apply them consistently, and you'll find that self-discipline is easy, actually. If this video made discipline feel easier, I'm collecting donations in the form of subscribes to fund the next video about why dating apps are a complete scam and how to actually meet people in real life. Thanks for watching.